Good morning, parents. My name is Ashish Sacha. My school name is Khusbow Nikethan High School. I am telling about parts of a plant. A plant has five parts. There are root, stem, flowers, leaves, fruit. First one is root. Roots are grows in the soil and holds the plant. Second one is stem. Stem keeps plant straight. Third one is leaves. Leaves are green and make food. Fourth one is flowers. Flowers is beautiful and smells good. Fifth one is fruits. Fruits are many seeds. It turns into fruit. All parts help the plant to grow. We should take care of plants. Plants give us fresh air. Thank you. Have a nice day. Good morning, everyone. My name is Mahendra. I am studying in first class. My school name is Khusbow with Nikethan High School. Today, I am going to telling about traffic signal. Uh, there are three Indian traffic signal colors. Red means stop. Red means stop. Yellow means wait. Green means go. We should follow daily rules every day. We should avoid accident. Thank you. Have a nice day. Good morning, ma'am. My name is Saida. I study in first class. My school name is Khusbow Vidya High School. Today, I am going telling to about domestic animal. Domestic animal go give milk and give eggs. God give meat. We should love and take care to of animals. Thank you, Aaron says day. Shushant,
Yes, from which class?
second class.
You all are community?
Help us. Khusbow Vidyanis High School.
What are you acting as?
Doctor.
You are a doctor.
Yeah.
Dr. Arman Ali.
Yes.
What you'll do? You'll give medicines?
Yes.
Okay, I'm having fever, doctor. Will you check me?
Operations.
You do surgeries?
Yes.
Operation and give medicines?
Yes.
Okay, Sushant? What do you do?
चोर को पकड़ते.
You catch the thieves?
I am postman.
Good. What do you do, postman?
Postman bring the letters.
Okay, very good.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Shravya. These are my team members: Vishmika, Mahendra, and Sham.
So, what you are going to tell us?
Measurement of weight.
Okay. So, how you will weigh? So, where is the way here? This one. So now I want half kg of tomatoes. Can you give me?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, good.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Vishmika. Today I am going to tell about money. Indian currency is called the rupees. Will use different notes and coins to buy things. Has a nice day. Thank you, everyone. Have a nice day. Good morning, everyone. My name is Mahendra. Today I am going to tell about money. Money is very important in our world and comes in many different forms. We need money to buy anything. Everyone works for money only. Thank you. 2000.
2000 rupees note.
Huh.
Okay.
Okay.
Good.
My name is Satyam Rajpur. These are my friends. Always Karthik. Land transport. Car, bus, truck. Thank you.
Okay.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Season. Today I am telling about season spring. In this spring season, the weather is very warm. Plants being to grow and flowers to bloom. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Vidya Fatima. Today I am going to tell about seasons. Winter. In winter, we use blankets and quits. Hot foods is liked in winter. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Mokshit Sai. I am studying in second class. My team member is Izan Madhya and Tirtharabai. My I am studying second class. My school name is Khusbow Vidya Nikethan High School. Today I am going to tell about summer season. Summer season is hottest season of the year. It comes after winter season. The sun is shining and very brightly. Days are long, night are short. We drink cool water and juices. Thank you, everyone.
One question. In summer season, which fruits do we get?
Mango.
Do you like mangoes?
And
Do you like mangoes?
yes, ma'am.
Good.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Shizan bin Mahmood. My team member is Mokshit Madhiha Tirdanabai. I am studying in second grade. My school name is Khusbow Vidya Nikethan High School. I am telling about winter season. Winter is cold. People wear warm and clothes. People like to drink hot tea and coffee. People like to sit around fireplace. Thank you. Well, my name is Navyasri. I am studying in second grade. My school name is Khusbow Vidya Nikethan High School. I am telling about matra hai. Ka ki matra, ka ki matra, ka. My name is Sadaf. My team number is Riya,
I'm in
Amrin,
second class.
Navya. I am grade second. My school name is Khushbu Vidya Nikethan High School. Today I am telling you about matra hai. A की मात्रा ई की मात्रा ऊ की मात्रा रू की मात्रा ए की मात्रा आई की मात्रा ओ की मात्रा औ की मात्रा आ. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Sak Amrin. My school name is Khusbu Vidya Nikethan High School. Good morning, everyone. My name is Riya Vishukarma. My in second class. My school name is Khusbu Vidya Nikethan High School. My team number is Amreen Sadaf Navya. I'm telling is मात्रा है. आप सबका स्वागत है. मैं बहुत खुश हूँ आप हमारे साइंस फेयर में आए. मेरा नाम रिया. मैं 10 शिक्षा में पढ़ती हूँ. मैं पाठशाला का नाम खुशबू विद्या निकेतन हाई स्कूल. आज हम मात्राएं के बारे में बोल रहे हैं. थैंक यू. అందరికీ స్వాగతం. గురు స్వాగతం. నా పేరు మానస. మా క్లాస్ పేరు రెండో తిరిగి. మా స్కూల్ పేరు కుజుపు విద్యా నికేతన్ హై స్కూల్. నేను చెప్పబోయే టాపిక్ కా అక్షరంతో కంకి. కంకి మన దేశంలో ముఖ్యంగా తెలంగాణ, ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ సాగు చేస్తారు. దీనిని సిరిధాన్యాల రాణి అని కూడా పిలుస్తారు. గుండె నొప్పి, కంటి చూపు, చర్మంపై ముడతలు తగ్గించడం, జుట్టు బలంగా ఉండడం. థ్యాంక్ యూ. అందరికీ స్వాగతం సుస్వాగతం. నా పేరు డి రాఘవేంద్ర. నేను చదువుతున్న తరగతి వచ్చేసి 2వ తరగతి. నా స్కూల్ పేరు వచ్చేసి ఖుష్బూ విద్యా నికేతన్ హై స్కూల్. నేను ఎంచుకున్న టాపిక్ వచ్చేసి తా అక్షరంతో టమాటా. టమాటా మన నిత్య జీవితంలో వంటగదిలో ముఖ్యమైన కూరగాయ. దీనిని శాస్త్రీయంగా సోలానం లైకోపసికం అని పిలుస్తారు. టమాటో సోలనేసి కుటుంబానికి చెందినది. దీనిని రామూలకాయ, సీమ వంకాయ అని కూడా పిలుస్తారు. తర్వాత దాంట్లోకి వెళ్దాము. ఆరోగ్య ప్రయోజనాలు. గుండె ఆరోగ్యం, క్యాన్సర్ నివారణ, చర్మం సంరక్షణ, ఎముకల బలం, మధుమేహం. వంటల్లో ఉపయోగాలు. టమాటా చారు, రసం, పప్పు, కూరలు, పచ్చడి, సూప్కి, సాస్కి ఉపయోగిస్తారు. ధన్యవాదాలు.
Good morning. My name is Janapriya Bai from grade 7. My school name is Khusbow Vidya Nikethan High School. Today I am very happy to present my model, smart water filtration. Smart water filtration is the process of cleaning water. It removes dirt and germs from it. We need materials like battery, connectors, level pipe, water pump, etc. Now my friend Epsiba will tell how it works.
Thank you, Janapriya. We took cardboard to make box, and we took another two pieces of cardboard to cover up and down part. We took one plastic jar to pour water, and we connected a mini water pump to the level pipe, and we connected all the wires. When we keep glass on the circle part, the electric will generate, and the water comes. The water will come through the level pipe. When we take out this glass, the this will off. Thank you for giving us time.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Revan. I am studying in 7th grade from Khusbow Vidya Nikethan School. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to tell about my project. Our project, our project is about remote control river cleaner. Can I ask question? How we can clean rivers, polluted rivers? We made this project with some materials. We used PVC pipe first, two PVC pipes, and closed at the ends and make holes and connected to the motors. At the down, we put PVC pipe and one stick to rotate easily. In the middle, we use net cloth to carry waste. At the back of PVC pipes, we use plastic container to store waste material. At the sides of the PVC pipe, we use motors connected with tire to move in water easily. At the down of the plastic container, we use plastic bottles to float on water. We use 3.7 watts lithium battery to give power supply. At the last, we use DPDT switches to control the whole RC river cleaner. We can control like this in water. Now my friend Jashin will explain more about this.
Thank you, Revan. My name is Ashwin. This model helps us to clean rivers and lakes. Nowadays, rivers are becoming polluted. People are throwing plastic waste in rivers and polluting them. In our earth, there is 1% of fresh water. To protect that 1% of fresh water, we made this model. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. I am Anam from 7th grade. My school name is Khusbow Vidya Nikethan High School. I am going to tell you how we made our model. This is our model drip irrigation. First, we took a medium sized cardboard to make a base with it. Also, took two waste boxes to make fields. Then, we took a waste water bottle to make a well and a tank. After joining all of them, we connected a switch, battery pump wire, and decorated with some green chart and grass mat and some small house and two small trees to give it a farm effect. Also some fences made up of ice cream sticks. Now my friend Maya will tell you how it works.
Thank you, Anam. Myself, Mariam Hevish. As my friend Anam has explained how we made this model, and I am going to explain how it's work. When we on the switch, the water will transfer from well to tank with the help of this pump, and from the tank, the water will fall down drop by drop. Now, my friend Kritika will tell the uses of this model.
Thank you, Maria. As my friend Maria has explained, when we on the switch, the water will transfer into the well to the tank and tank to the fields. Like this, when we connect it. Like this. You can see here, the water is transferred into the well to the tank with the help of this pump, and now the water will transfer into the water will reach into the fields like this. You can see the water is falling drop by drop here. So there are so many uses from this model, like in the summer the farmer should go to the field and water the crops. So because of the hot weather, the farmer feels sweaty and he get tired easily. So if the farmer uses drip irrigation system in his farm, he just need to on the switch, the water directly reaches the roots of the plant. So this system can save 70% of the water which are unnecessarily used on the weeds in the farm and on the leaves. This system can also prevent fungal disease which caused by the wet leaves. If we use this, the leaves will be dry and the fungal disease will be also reduced. Thank you for your precious time.
Good morning everyone. My name is Riaz from grade 7. Today I am talking about water purify. As we all know that the water purify is a very important for our health, and it ensures that the water is a very important for our life and health. Necessary for benefits. It ensures that the drinking water is a very important for our health, and clean is a health for. Now my friend Vicky Yadav tell about it.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Vicky Yadav. So, as my friend said, that water purification play as major role. Water purification are eco-friendly as they reduce the need of bottled water, which decrease the use of bottled water. Plastic. By using purification, we can save money and reduce our carbon footprints. Water purification, we can have economic benefits by reducing the bottled water and reduce our expenses. Now my friend Avinash will tell.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Avinash. My school name is Khusbow with Nikethan. Let's have clean the water for healthy life. Make it is water water purify. Water purify. A say water voice choice water. Drink the water purify. Drink the water purify. Water is safe and happy. Thank you everyone.
Good morning, myself Nashra Fatima. I am from grade 7. My school name is Khusbow Vidya Nikethan High School. My model name is rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting is a method of collecting and storing rainwater. Water is important and natural resource for our lives, but uh, water scarcity is increasing in many places. So saving water has become more important. Uh, Rainwater uses are it helps to prevent urban flooding when the heavy rain occurs. So save water today and secure tomorrow. Rainwater harvesting is a best solution for overcome this problem. Now my friend Rishvika will explain the other part.
Thank you, Nashra. Myself, Rishvika. And now I will explain how to make this simple project. We have took some cardboard to make the house and some plastic bottles and plastic jars. We have connected the pipe thoroughly, and now the rainwater falls on the rooftop of the house, and after and now the rainwater passes through a filtration system. This filter removes dust, leaves, and other impurities from the rainwater. After filtration, this water is collected in a well. This stored water can be used for household purposes like gardening, cleaning, etc. And every home and building adopts this method, we can save million liters of water.
Good morning everyone. My name is Radhika and my teammate Vishnu Priya. Today I am going to speak about a very useful device, rain detector. Rain detector is an electronic device that senses the rainfall and gives an alert when it starts raining. It will work with the help of rain sensor plate. When water raindrops fall on sensor, the circuit gets activated and triggers the buzzer.
This device is low cost, easy to use, and it helps to reduce and human effect, and most importantly protects property and protects property.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Okay, good morning, ma'am. We are from Khusbow Vidya Nikethan, 9th class. This is a project work. It's called crop protection system, and she will continue.
Good morning. Today I'm going to explain about the crop protection system, which plays a very important role in our agriculture and food society. Crops are the main sources of our food for human beings and animals. Farmers work very hard to grow crops, but many dangerous like insects, pests, bad weather can damage them. Now she will continue.
using crop production system carefully is very important. More use of chemical can harm soil, water, and human's health. The crop productions help in increase food production. Protecting protecting crop mean protecting our nature food supply.
Good morning, everyone. Hope your day is going good. Today, our group is talking about renewable and non renewable energy. But what is energy? Energy is the ability to do work. We cannot see energy, but we can tell that it is present. Now, let's listen about renewable and non renewable energy. Non renewable energy, the form of energy that cannot be replaced or renewed over time, like coal, petrol, diesel, etc. Renewable energy. All forms of the energy that can be replaced or renewed over time are called renewable energy. For example, wind, water, and solar wind energy. For example, environment, friends, and air pollution and water pollution. Solar energy that comes from sun is called solar energy. Wind energy is the energy of moving air. The wind turns the blade of a wind turbines which generates electricity. The water energy, the energy in moving water is called water energy. When the water from a dam is reproduced, the water is used to move turbines which प्रोडक्ट्स इलेक्ट्रिसिटी थैंक यू। आप सबका स्वागत है कि मैं बहुत खुश हूँ आप मेरे साइंस फेयर में आए। मेरा नाम है अंजुम, मैं 5वीं कक्षा में पढ़ती हूँ। मेरे साथियों का नाम है तलत, कमलिका, अलीना। हमारे मॉडल का नाम है संदेश। हम लोग संदेश के बारे में बोल रहे हैं। इस कविता का अर्थ ये है कि प्रकृति के विभवनत्व से प्रेरणा लेनी चाहिए, यानी अपने जीवन में ऊंचाई गुण को अपनाना चाहिए। पर्वत कहता शीश उठाकर तुम भी ऊंचे बन जाओ। पर्वत हमें सिखाता है कि सिर ऊंचा और महान बनाना चाहिए, यानी अपने जीवन में ऊंचाई लक्ष्य रखनी चाहिए। सागर कहता लहराकर मन में गहराई लाओ। सागर हमें मन में गहराई और गंभीरता लाने की सीख देता है। समझ रहे हो क्या कहती है? उठ उठ गिर गिर तरल तरंग, भल्लो भल्लो अपने दिल में मीठी मीठी मुदुल उमंग। तरल तरंग लहरें बार बार उठाकर और गिराकर। लहरें हमें बताती है कि हमें अपने दिल में मीठी और कोमल उमंग उत्साह भर लेनी चाहिए। पृथ्वी खेती देर न छोड़ो, कितना ही हो सिर पर भर। पृथ्वी हमें देर न खोने का संदेश देती है, चाहे हमारे ऊपर कितने भी जिम्मेदारियां या मुश्किलें हो। नग कहता है फैलो इतना, ढक लो तुम सारा संसार। नग आकाश कहता है कि हमें इतना फैलना चाहिए, यानी अपने विचारों और कार्यों से इतना विस्तार करना चाहिए, यानी हम सब सारा संसार ढक ले। ధన్యవాద్। శుభోదయం అందరికీ। నా పేరు తనుష్, నేను 5వ తరగతి చదువుకుంటున్నాను। నా స్కూల్ పేరు ఖుష్బూ విద్యా నికేతన్ హై స్కూల్। ఇప్పుడు మనం నేర్చుకున్న టాపిక్ డమరుకం। డమరుకం అనేది ఒక వాయిద్యంలో ఉన్నది, మన తెలంగాణ మొత్తంకి సంపూర్ణ ఇచ్చేది। ఇది ఏమో డమరుకం అనేది శివుని చేతిలో ఉంటుంది। ఇది డమరుకం అనేది శివుడు 2 గడియాలతోని ఇక్కడ అతికించి చర్మంతోని అతికించి పెడతాడు। దాని తర్వాత ఇది బురుబుక్కల వాళ్ళు, ఆ జాతకం చెప్పేవాళ్ళు కొట్టుకుంటూ వచ్చి జాతకం చెప్తారు। ఇది అసలు ఏం కాదు, ఇది సపోర్ట్ చేసేది కూడా సపోర్ట్ చాలా చేస్తుంది। ధన్యవాదాలు అందరికీ।
My name is Bhargavi. I am from Khusbow Vidya Nikethan High School. I am studying in grade 5th. ఈ రోజు ఆయుధ్యాలలో తబలా గురించి మాట్లాడుతున్నాం। తబలా భారతదేశం శాస్త్రీయ సంగీతాలు। శుభోదయం అందరికీ। నా పేరు అఖిల్, నేను 5వ తరగతిలో చదువుతున్నా। మా స్కూల్ పేరు ఖుష్బూ విద్యా నికేతన్। ఈరోజు నేను చెప్పే టాపిక్ సంగీతాలలో గిటార్ అనేది భారతదేశంలో అలానే పొందిన తీగ వాయిద్యం। ధన్యవాదాలు।
Good morning, dear ma'am. Today our group want to speak about machines. A machine is a device that has power to perform a specific task, making work easy, faster, or more effective by applying force and controlling movements.
A machine is a basic tool with few or no moving parts or contains many moving parts. That is simple and complex machines. Simple machines are machines with few or no moving parts. They help change how something make work easier. For example, knife, flagpole, screw, bottle caps, rolling pins, etc.
Complex machines. Machines that have lot of moving parts and are made up of two or no moving parts. Simple machine work together are called complex machine. Example: washing machine, fan, bicycle, car, scissor are example of complex machine.
Machines are very important part of our daily life. By this we get to know that machines make our work easy. Thank you for listening about machines. Hope you like it.
Good morning everyone. Myself Ani. We are from grade 6. We are group of 2, Chandrasekhar and me, going to take you on a journey through the degree of comparison. Don't just describe the things. They also help us comparing them. There are 3 levels: positive, comparative and superlative. Now let's learn more about them. I am the positive degree. I am the simplest form of the degree. I describe one thing without it to anything else. For example, the ball is big. Now next my friend Chandrasekhar will speak.
Thank you, honey. I am the superlative degree and I am boss because I compare three or more things. I usually end in EST or use the words more. Example 1. I have biggest ball in my classroom. Example 2. The restaurant is the most expensive in our area. Although most of the adjectives end with ER and EST or use the words more. Good changes to better and comparative degree. Thank you for your timing and patience.
Good morning, sir. We are from grade 6. Today, our group is representing a main part of our country growth, and that is elections. An elections is a formal group decision making process whereby a portion or a population or group vote to choose an individual or multiple. Elections in India are held for Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, the state legislative assembly and legislative council. Next, I hand over to my friend Sumaya.
Thank you, Nimra. After independence, the first election was conducted between 1951 and 1952. This was the beginning of the shaping of democracy through electoral reform. Earlier ballot boxes were used for purpose of voting. It was later in the decade of 1990s, EVM electronic voting machine come to be used, and EVM is a simple electronic device which is used to record vote in place of ballot paper and box. Next, I hand over to my friend Saeed.
Thank you, Sumaya. Let's look for voting process or steps. Step 1, voters stand in queue. Step 2, polling officer check your name in voters list and your ID proof. Step 3, polling officer mark your finger with indelible ink. Step 4, polling officer takes the slip and check the mark on your fingernail. Step 5, voter presses the button against the candidate of choice or nota on the EVM. A red light glows with a beep sound. Next, I will hand over to my friend El Karthik.
Thank you, Said. Voters give their precious vote to elect a person who can understand and solve their problems. It's the duty for each citizen to give vote who are above 18 years because your one vote matter a lot of things. Thank you for listening us taking out your precious time. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. Myself, Nandini. In our day-to-day life, street lights are important. They made easy for people to walk safe, see clean at night, stay safe. But in many places, the street lights are not working, are completely missing because dark and danger.
గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ అండి. 6th క్లాస్ రిజువల్ వాళ్ళ మదర్ని. స్కూల్లో చాలా బాగుంది. పిల్లలు చాలా చాలా కష్టపడ్డారు. చాలా అంటే చాలా బాగుంది. అసలు హార్ట్ఫుల్గా అసలు చాలా వాళ్ళకి ఎలా చెప్పాలో అర్థం అవ్వట్లేదు. ఫస్ట్ టైం మేడం చేశారంట, కానీ చాలా బాగుంది. చూస్తుంటే ఒక్కొక్క క్లాస్ చూస్తుంటే ఒక్కొక్క పిల్లలను చూస్తుంటే చాలా ఆనందంగా ఉంది. అసలు కిడ్నీలంట, అసలు హార్ట్, ఇవన్నీ చాలా బాగా చేసినారు పిల్లలు. వాటర్ ప్లాంట్, మళ్ళీ పార్కింగ్ అది ఇవన్నీ చాలా బాగా చేసినారు. చాలా హ్యాపీగా అనిపిస్తుంది మాకు. ఇక్కడ నుండి వెళ్ళాలంటే కూడా వాళ్ళది అయిపోయిందాక ఉండాలనిపిస్తుంది, కానీ చాలా బాగుంది. మేడం కూడా పిల్లలకు చాలా సపోర్ట్ చేసినందుకు చాలా థ్యాంక్స్ అండి. మా పాప 6th క్లాస్. మా పాప 6th క్లాస్. అది ఏమంటారు వేస్టేజ్ డస్ట్బిన్స్ గురించి చేసింది. తను కూడా బాగా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసిన వాళ్ళ క్లాస్లో వాళ్ళు 3 కొలీగ్స్ ఉన్నారు, 2 మెంబర్స్ ఉన్నారు కొలీగ్స్. వాళ్ళు కూడా ఇద్దరు బాగా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసారు. చాలా బాగుంది వేస్టేజ్ డస్ట్బిన్ల గురించి. చాలా అంటే చాలా చెప్పినారు. ఇంకా 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th వాళ్ళు కూడా హార్ట్ గురించి చాలా బాగా చేసినారు. అసలు కిడ్నీస్ దాని గురించి, కిడ్నీలో వాటర్ ఎలా తాగాల, ఎలా వేస్టేజ్ మన బాడీకి ఎలా ఉపయోగపడుతుంది, మళ్ళీ స్కెల్టన్ గురించి దాని గురించి చాలా బాగా చేసిన. అసలు పిల్లలు ఇప్పుడే ఇంత నాలెడ్జ్ ఉందంటే వాళ్ళు ఇంకా పెద్ద అయినాక ఇంకెంత నాలెడ్జ్ ఉందో అసలు పోతే తట్టుకోలేకపోతున్నాం. ఇదే కంటిన్యూ కావాలి, పిల్లలు ఇదే స్కూల్లో మంచి కంటిన్యూ కావాలి. పెద్ద అయిన తర్వాత కూడా మేడం పేరు నిలబెట్టాలని కోరుకుంటున్నాను. ఇంగ్లీష్ టాకింగ్ చేస్తున్నారు, బాగానే చదువుకుంటున్నారు, మంచిగా ఉన్నారు. చాలా సాటిస్ఫై, ఇప్పుడు చూసేసరికి చాలా సాటిస్ఫై అయింది, చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఉన్నాం. స్టార్టింగ్ ఉండే యూకేజీ నుండి ఉంది పాప ఇక్కడ. సాటిస్ఫై, చాలా సాటిస్ఫై. మేడం కూడా మాకు చాలా సపోర్ట్గా ఉంటుంది. మేడం వల్లనే చాలా బాగుంది.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मेरा नाम शहनाज बेगम है. मेरी बच्ची यहाँ 9th क्लास में पढ़ते, मनहा बेगम है. बच्चे यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छा एक्टिविटीज करे, बच्चे नॉलेज अच्छा दिखाए. यहाँ पे बहुत खुशी हुई यहाँ पे आके. साइंस फेयर में आए, बहुत अच्छा लगा. छोटे छोटे बच्चे अच्छे एक्टिविटीज करे, बहुत अच्छा लगा. मैं भी यहीं पढ़े से हूँ. आपको पहचान तो मैं. मैडम का सपोर्ट बहुत है यहाँ पे.
चलो, बहुत खुशी की बात है आपकी बच्चे, आप अच्छा से पढ़े, आपके बच्चे भी पढ़ रहे हैं.
जी,
खुश है ना?
बहुत खुश है.
खुशी के आंसू है आपके.
शुक्रिया.
आप बोलो.
My name is Vanha and I am studying in 9th grade. I would like to thank our principal ma'am, firstly because all the support is because of her. Before she started with the start,
studied in this school.
my mother was also studying in this school. She used to not take fees from them because of financial conditions, and our principal ma'am started from start. She first put a tent and she started studying them, and because of her we are here, and because of my mother, and I'm very lucky to.
Because of her, because of the God blessing, your parents' blessing is also there with you.
Yes.
Okay, madam blessing is there, your parents' blessing is there, God blessing is there.
Yes, I'm very lucky to be in this school, and I'm also very glad that my mother has also studied in this school, and I would really like to thank our principal ma'am. She has supported me a lot. Thank you.
afternoon, everyone. My name is Shravya. I am studying in 8th standard. My school name is Khusbow Vidya Nikethan High School. Today, we are presenting our project on effect of smoking on our lungs. Lungs are the one of the most important organs. They help us to breathe and supply oxygen to our blood. But smoking slowly affects our health and damages our lungs. Through this model, we want to show the difference between healthy lungs and smoker lungs.
As you can see, this bottle representing healthy lungs. The cotton inside is clean and white, showing fresh air and oxygen flow. The second bottle representing smoker lungs. The cotton has turned dark, showing how tar and harmful chemicals from cigarettes collect inside the lungs. Cigarette smoke contains more than 7,000 plus harmful chemicals. This from this humans lungs affects very badly. It cause can death also. Thank you.
My name is Sadia Begum. Smoking can cause serious diseases like lung cancer and asthma, breathing problem. It also reduces oxygen in our body. Our message through this project is simple: choose air, not smoke. Healthy lungs means healthy life. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Eba Fatima from 8th grade. My school name is Khusbow Vidya Nikethan High School. Today we are going to speak about windmill. Windmill is a machine that converts wind energy into electrical energy. It is basically says that it is renewable and air is something which will never end. It is eco-friendly and do not causes any pollution, and it will help in the uses of fossil fuels. We can take as alternative of a fossil fuels. Now my partner is going to say about windmills.
Hello everyone, my name is Rashmita. I am from 8th class. Our school name is Khusbow Vidya Nikethan High School. Today we are going to speak about windmill. Windmill is a machine that uses power to work. In earlier times, windmills were used to grind grains and pump water. But now modern windmills are used to generate electricity. Windmill is a renewable source of energy which does not cause pollution. Now my partner will explain.
Hello everyone, my name is Manasa. As my partner said that today I am going to tell about the uses of windmills. Windmills are very useful in our daily life. They help in producing electricity and reducing air pollution, save natural resources like coal and petrol, and also protect the environment. Windmills teach us how to use the natural wisely to create energy. Let us use renewable energy and protect our earth. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone, and my respectful principal ma'am. Today, our topic is different types of ecosystem, mainly the ecosystem means where non-living things and living things live together depending on each other. And non-living things includes air, water, gases, and rocks and temperature. And living things include plants and animals. And in every ecosystem, there will be producers and consumers and decomposers. And mainly producers are green plants and grass, which generates food by itself by using sunlight. And consumers are animals which eat plants. And decomposers are bacteria and fungi, which will break down the dead animals and plants into a small pieces and they will consume it. And my partner Abhinay will explain the aquatic ecosystem.
As you can see, this is the aquatic ecosystem. It is present in under the water. The Pacific Ocean is the largest aquatic ecosystem in the world. So the it includes lakes, oceans, rivers, ponds, and rivers, etc. So the as David told that there are producers, consumers, and decomposers. The producers are seaweeds, algae, and water plants, and the consumers are crabs and whales, fishes, and etc. The big fish eat small fish, and this is called food chain. As the water is abiotic factor, and my friend Chindu will continue.
So today I am going to explain the forest ecosystem. In forest ecosystem, like our David said, in every ecosystem, uh, firstly producer and consumer and second consumer. So in forest ecosystem, producers are mainly grass and trees, and secondly consumers are sheep and goats and cows like that. And secondly consumers are tigers and cheetahs and like wild animals which eats the cows and sheep. So this is the cycle of forest ecosystem. If wild animals stop eating the the cows and sheep, these all animals, then uh, uh, these animals these animals start eating very fast these all animals like grass and trees. Then we get a problem like breathing in air is not getting good, and in animals will come in our cities. So this don't want to disturb this forest ecosystem, and some animals will die on roads and parks and in forests. So after some time it will not able to see, so that erased by decomposers are very tiny living organisms like bacteria and algae. Thank you. This is our my statement will continue.
And this is desert ecosystem. In desert ecosystem, mainly in daytime, very extreme hot will there in day night, and in night there will be cold. And in desert ecosystem, producers are cactus, and producers are camels and red fox. And in these plants have a special thing ability, that is it will live without water so many days, it is called xerophytic plants. And when the water levels are very less, and the very less to plants and animals, it is that the condition called z- zero xeric condition. And my partner Abhinay Chandra will explain polar ecosystem.
This is polar ecosystem. The polar ecosystem means where the ice fully covered the ice, and it is very extreme cold. That the plants grow very less, and the the producers are the moss and grass, where uh, the plants produce oxygen and become food, and the consumers are polar bear, penguins and seals and etc. uh, and the penguins are also live very extreme cold. And thank you.
Protect nature and animals, and we have to protect animals, we don't want to put animals in zoos and etc. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Sarah Begum, and her name is Samrin Begum.
My name is Sakshi Kumari. Lakshmi Bhavani.
And today we are speaking about women empowerment. Our school name is Khusbow Vidya Nikethan High School, and women empowerment means giving equal rights to women, and women should get equal rights.
When we educate a girl, she empower her family and her community. When we provide equal economical opportunities.
When women get educated, they can do all. But
education, women can play a very important role and empowering women. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Priyasri.
My name is Hasini.
We are from 8th grade. Our school name is Khusbow Vidya Nikethan High School. Today we are explaining about hydroponics.
Hydroponics basically means the method of growing plants in less soil. We grow plants in this nutrient water solution. The plants get oxygen, air, and important minerals. The advantages of hydroponics are
There will be no weeds. There will be few pests. Pest means insects, and also there will it has higher profit.
Respected sir and respected ma'am, my name is Ishwar. Today our project is functions of kidney. Kidney purify the water and helps in blood. Now my friend Dinesh will continue.
Structure of the kidney. Kidney has three main parts: renal cortex, renal medulla, renal pelvis. Now my friend Saikran will complete.
Functions of kidney: it helps in remove waste product helpfully remove waste product it helps in remove waste product and maintain water balance and helps in filtration of blood. My friend Ishar will help.
Conclusion: the blood filter the 180 liters in a day, and if we drink more water, the more blood will filter and more urine will produce. If we drink less water, then less blood will purify and less urine will produce. Thank you.
What is your suggestion then in class?
Suggestion:
To drink
to drink more water.
total how many will do
It, it can do 180 liters, but in our body there is only 5 liters of blood.
Good afternoon, sir, and good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Rayan Khan. This is our project is about Newton third law and Pascal's law. The Newton third law is about every action has equal and opposite reaction. Now my friend Sandy will continue.
Good afternoon, everyone. Now I am gonna tell the importance of rocket. First of all, it is useful in army for defense whenever there is a war. Second of all, in space for satellite for communication. So our project rocket is working at the principle of Newton third law, which is also called as action reaction law. In this case, the engine is putting a force to the downward, which is action. Through that, the rocket is going upward, which is reaction. Eventually the rocket is in motion, it is putting kinetic energy, so at one moment the rocket will stop, and the kinetic energy will convert into potential energy because of height. Now my friend Muzammil will continue.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Muzammil from Great School of Khusbow, Vidya, Nikethan. The examples of action reaction are airplane, flying a bird, pushing a wall, swimming, and walking, etc.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is K. Harshavardhan. I am from Khusbow Vidya Nikethan. I am studying in 9th class. Today our topic name is acids and base. Here is the pH scale. When low pH, then more acid. When pH is more than more base, it is not less, then it is neutral. Here are the some examples of household of acid and base. In agriculture, farmers will test the soil by using pH meter, how much pH is there in soil. We took 5 solutions that are.
Good afternoon, sir. We took 5 solutions. We took 5 solutions in acid, base, and neutral. In acid, we took lemon and vinegar. In neutral, we took salt and sugar solution, and in base, we took surf solution. This is blue litmus paper. When we put this in acidic substance, it will change its color into red because the pH of the substance is less than 7. And this is red litmus paper. It is used to identify if the substance is base or not when it is more than 7. It changes its color into blue because the surf solution has more pH, and in neutral it cannot change its color because it is equal.
My name is Iram Fatima. I'm studying in 9th grade and our school name is Khusbow Vidya Nikethan High School. Today I'm going to talk about one of the most important features of our constitution, which is fundamental rights. These rights are made to protect
the people to promote to ensure equality and so that the people lives with dignity. And there are six fundamental rights in our constitution. The first one is right to equality. It means that every citizen of India has the every citizen of India is equal in the eyes of law. No one is superior or inferior. No one should be discriminated on the basis of religion, caste, as gender, and the place of birth. And the second is right to freedom. It means that every citizen has the freedom to come with their thoughts and ideas. They can express it freely, and also they can come together with together and form groups to if their rights are being violated, they can protect their rights by this. And also they have the right to move across the country freely. They can stay wherever they want.
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Bushra. I am from Khusbow Vidya Nikethan High School. So the third one is rights against exploitation. So exploitation means that treating unfair to get from benefit from others. For example, if someone are forced to us to do work without wages or less wages, so that so this will cause violation of the fundamental right. So that persons can go to court and file the case. Yes. So the fourth one is right to freedom of religion. Everyone have rights to practice or follow any religion. No one can stop them to following. Say that don't follow this religion or that religion. So according to the constitution, the government does not support only one religion. They will support all religions like Muslims, Hindus, Christians, etc. Thank you.
My name is Sandhya from Khusbow Vidya Nikethan High School. I am studying in ninth grade. The fifth right is right to education and culture. This right protects the culture, language, and traditional of different communities, and it ensures that everyone is getting equal opportunities and education. The sixth right is right to constitution remedies. This right allows the citizens to go court if their rights are violated, and it is also ensure that it protects the all fundamental rights.
And for conclusion, we believe that fundamental rights are the backbone of democracy. Democracy becomes meaningless without fundamental rights. Thank you so much.
Good morning, everyone. So we are the students from Khusbow Vidya Nikethan High School from ninth grade. This is Zoha, this is Juneda, I'm Manha, and this is Zainab. So we are presenting the working model of human heart today. So the purpose of presenting this model is because to aware people about the heart sensitivity. To let them know the blood flow, how the blood flow happens in our heart, and what type of blood is there, impure blood and pure blood. People are not aware these days of heart, how to treat their heart sensitively, what food to eat to keep their heart healthy. So thank you. Now I would like to invite Zoha to start with the introduction.
Good afternoon, everyone. So this is Zoha Fatima from Khusbow Vidya Nikethan High School. So today we are going to present working model of our heart. Heart is one of the most important organ in our body. It supplies oxygen and nutrition to each part of the body that will help our body to function properly. So by this working model of heart, we have shown external and internal structure of the heart. So I would really like to invite Juneda Fatima.
So hello everyone, myself Juneda. So today I'm going to explain about external structure of human heart. So this is external structure of human heart shown in 3D model. So the heart is protected by a double layered covering which is called pericardium, and the outer walls are thick and muscular so that the heart can get strength to pump blood. So in this model you can see four major blood vessels. So the first is aorta, which carries oxygenated blood from the heart to the body, and second is pulmonary artery, which carries deoxygenated blood from blood to the lungs, and third is pulmonary veins, which brings the oxygenated blood from the lungs to the heart, and fourth is vena cava, which brings the deoxygenated blood from the body to the heart. So now to show the contraction of the heart, we have used the pump mechanism. So when I press it, you can see that the heart is beating. So to show this contraction, we have used pump mechanism, and this process is called systole. And when it is relaxing, it is called diastole. So this constant contraction and relaxation of heart, it helps blood to circulate through our whole body. Now I would like to invite Manha to explain the internal structure of the heart. Thank you.
Thank you, Juneda. Myself, Manha. This is the internal structure of the heart. Internally, the heart has four chambers: right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium, left ventricle. The upper chambers of the heart are called atrium, and the lower chamber are called ventricle. So the muscular wall between them is called septum. This prevents the wall prevents the mixing of deoxygenated and oxygenated blood. So using pipes and colored water, blue colored water represents deoxygenated blood, which is also known as impure blood, and red colored water represents oxygenated blood, which is also known as pure blood. So deoxygenated blood enters from the body to the right atrium, so the vena cava. Then it goes to the right ventricle. Then from there it goes to the lungs to get pumped. When the deoxygenated water goes to the lungs to get pumped, so the deoxygenated blood gets pumped, so the blood gets pure. After that, the oxygenated blood goes to the right atrium to the pulmonary veins. After that, it goes to the left ventricle. Finally, the blood gets pumped to the whole body through the aorta. Now I would like to invite Zainab to conclude the whole presentation.
Thank you, Manha. Now, I would like to conclude our model. Through the human heart is the most powerful and essential organ in a human body that works non-stop to keep us alive. Through our model, we have demonstrated external and internal structure of the heart, and internal chambers, pumping mechanisms, flow of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood. Through our model, we have understood that how it is important to maintain our heart health by eating nutritious food, regular exercise, to keep our heart healthy. Thank you for giving us this opportunity to explain our model. A healthy heart leads to a healthy lifestyle. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. Myself Janavi. My friend name is Bhavani. We are from Khusbow Vidya Nikethan High School from 7th grade. Do you know about balloon rocket? Do you know about balloon rocket? Balloon. To do this balloon rocket, we need straw, thread, double tape, and balloon. Now my friend Bhavani will explain.
Thank you, Jannavi. To make this balloon rocket, first we should have to take straw and we should have to cut it into two parts. And we should have to take balloon. We should have to attach balloon and straw with the help of double tape. At the corner of the balloon, we should have to take another straw and we should have to put it into the balloon, and we should have to cover with the transparent tape to when we blow the air inside of the balloon, the air will come slowly to outside, and in this straw we put thread inside of this. When we blow the balloon, it moves in straight way. When we leave the balloon, it moves in straight way. It's called balloon rocket. Now we ask some questions. What energy is this? Answer them.
Critical energy and kinetic energy.
What motion is this?
Rectilinear motion.
What is action and reaction?
The action is air is coming outside. The reaction is balloon is moving. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Myself Vishnu Sarika. I am from grade 6. There are 206 bones in our body. Joints connect bones and allow for the movement. Cartilage is a flexible tissue that cushions and joints. Ligaments connect bones and allow for the movement. Bones produce red and white blood cells within bone marrow. Nutrition requirement for bones are calcium, vitamin D, vitamin K, magnesium and protein. Every day we have to sit in sunlight to get vitamin D in between 7 to 8 a.m. to get vitamin D. It are free of cost. It make our body bones strong. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is K. Jayant. I am from 6th grade. My school name is Khusbow Vidya Nikethan High School. Today, our topic is evaporation. This water converts into water vapor by the process of evaporation. This water rises up into the atmosphere as it lighter than the air. When we move away from the surface of the earth, it becomes cooler. Now, my friend Kadar will take over. Thank you, Jayant. My name is MD Abdul Khader. Our topic is evaporation. When water evaporates, reach higher levels and consist due to contact with cool air and form small drops or water droplets. These tiny droplets remaining floating in the air at the higher levels of atmosphere and appear as a cloud. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ashwini. I am from 7th grade. My school name is Khusbow Vidya Nikethan High School. Welcome to Science Fair. Now we are doing filtration. Let's see how it works. What is filtration? A separation technique used to remove insoluble soil particles from a liquid using a filter medium, etc. filter paper. For example, for tea preparation, separation of insoluble particles. Now my friend Narendra will explain how it works.
Thank you, Ashwini. Myself, Narendra. We need to take some sand. We added sand in beaker. Now we have to pour.
I'll hold it here.
And
do it with the right.
Now you can see the water is filtering by the filter paper. It is useful for traveling mountains and forests. Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir. I am myself Mahalakshmi from 9th grade. I am from Khusbow Vidya Nikethan. So my model is spinning straw. So let us see how a straw spins without attraction of magnet. So you can see without attraction of magnet, it's spinning. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Rishvita, and especially the judges and the audience which are present here right now. Thank you for this opportunities and my teachers and my principal man. So my model is that bottle fountain. So basically, this model is saying about how the air is taking the place of the water. So you can see how the air is going inside and the water is getting out. So the air is which is present in the balloon, it is taking the place of the water, and the water is going outside. Thank you for this opportunity.
Good morning, sir. My name is Sindhushri. My partner is Kirtana. Topic is stature.
Now we are taking test tube and we are keeping potato. Now we are keeping potato and iodine. When it is changing black color because it presents a starch, and rice also changes into black color, and bread also changes into black color. We took test cube and we pour milk some. We took caustic soda and we changes into solution. We kept 4 drops copper surface. We poured 10 drops. It changes color into purple. Salt not has starch. It cannot changes into blue or black.
Done.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Yogita. My partner name is Arshia. We are studying in 8th grade. Our school name is Khusbow Vidya Nikethan High School. Today, our topic is good conductor and bad conductor. My friend will explain what is a good conductor.
Good conductor is a material that allow heat or electric current to pass through the easily. It's called good conductor. Property is process free moving charge electron and low electric resistance. For example, metal, aluminium, gold, iron. These things are all good conductor. My friend will explain what is bad conductor.
Bad conductor is nothing but materials that do not allow heat or electric current to pass through them easily is called bad conductor. Properties electrons are tightly bound to atoms. They cannot move freely. They offer high resistance. Example solids: rubber, glass, wood, plastic, and wool, uh, liquid gases, pure distilled water, air. Now we can see how it is working.
It's bad conductor.
Iron is a good conductor. Lead is a good conductor. Metal is a good conductor. Aluminium is a good conductor. Plastic is bad conductor. Bad conductor. Salt is a bad conductor. It is both because upper layer is covered with wood and plastic.
In inside there have wires. That's why they are glowing.
Let's we check. That's it. Thank you. Thank you for giving this opportunity to us.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Harini. My partner name is Meherin. We are from 6th grade. My topic name is life cycle of butterfly. Butterfly have a 4 steps: egg, caterpillar, pupa, butterfly. Egg hatches into tiny larva or caterpillar. Caterpillar feed on leaf to form the pupa. Undergoes complete metamorphosis to butterfly. Adult butterfly. Last stage in adult butterfly. Thank you. I'm now handovering to my friend.
Thank you, Harini. Myself, Meherin. A butterfly is a beautiful and colorful insect. It has 2 pairs of wings covered with colorful scales, and they use nectar from using a long tongue, and they helps us in pollination in plant. And it it take 1 month to become butterfly, and most we can see butterfly lives in garden and forest. This process is called life cycle of butterfly. Thank you. We have some questions. Have you ever seen butterfly?
Yes, number of butterflies in my life I have seen.
How many colors do we see in butterfly?
Many colors.
Now my friend will ask.
What is the most beautiful thing in earth?
Good morning, everyone. Myself, Ine. Welcome to Science Fair. Do you know what is a periscope? Today we are talking about a periscope. First, we will discuss some key points. Structure. It consists of a long vertical tube and one at the bottom placed parallel to each other at the 45 degrees angle to the incoming light rays. The process: light from an object strikes the top mirror and is reflect 90 degrees downwards. This light travels down the tube and hit the second lower mirrors. Result: the lower mirror reflect another 90 degrees to the observer's eye, allowing them to see an image that is upright and in the same direction as the top mirror. Now my friend will continue.
Thank you, Vinay. Myself, Sanjay. Periscope is an optical instrument consists of a tube with mirrors. Tube with mirrors are present at each and designed for allow observation from a concrete submerged protected position, working on the principle of reflection light. It uses two mirrors. Two mirrors angled at 45 degrees 45 degrees reflect light down a vertical tube, enabling viewer to see over or around obstacles. Now my friend will talk.
Uses of a periscope. Submarines uses the periscope to view the surface of the ocean for ships and hazards while remaining safely underwater. Military and tanks used in armored vehicles, and tanks provide visibility to the crew while keeping them protected inside. Trench warfare historically used in World War I to look over the top of the trenches without exposing to the enemy's fire. Civilian used in the crowds at the events or for specialized inspections in light spaces. Now my friend will continue.
Percup works on the principle of reflection. Light strike top mirror travel down with a tube and reflect a bottom mirror and to the viewer's eyes and primarily used in submarines and military trench warfare to see above the water over walls without detection. They're essential for safe convert observation. Thank you.
ఇంగ్లీష్ ఫ్లూయెన్స్గా కూడా కొంచెం మంచి మాట్లాడుతుంది. మాకు చెప్పాలంటే ఇక్కడ ఇమ్యూనిటీస్ అన్నీ బాగానే ఉన్నాయి. సైన్స్ ఫేర్ వాళ్ళ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ అని చెప్పి బాగానే చెప్తారు. సో ఇంకా ఏంటంటే ఓవరాల్గా అయితే మాకు మంచి సాటిస్ఫాక్షన్ ఉంది స్టడీ విషయంలో. ఇక్కడే ఫిక్స్ అయిపోయాము. ఇంకా మా సెకండ్ డాటర్ని కూడా ఇక్కడే వేద్దామని అనుకుంటున్నాము. సో చూడాలి ఇంకా పాప ఎస్ కంపల్సరీ అది చాలా ఉంది. ప్రీవియస్ స్కూల్స్ కన్నా ఈ స్కూల్స్ కన్నా మాకు బెటర్మెంట్ కనిపించింది అనమాట. సో నాలెడ్జ్ కూడా బాగానే ఉంది. సో అంటే నాలెడ్జ్ కూడా బాగానే చెప్తున్నారు. మేడం కూడా చాలా మాకు ప్రిన్సిపల్ మేడం కూడా చాలా కోఆపరేటివ్. దేంట్లో అయినా కానీ ఫీజు విషయంలో కానీ దేంట్లో కానీ మాకు ఎప్పుడు చాలా ఫోర్స్ఫుల్గా ఎప్పుడు చెప్పలేరు. ఎప్పుడు ఇస్తే ఎంత ఇస్తే అంత తీసుకున్నారు. సో మేము హ్యాపీ అండి ఇక్కడ.
ఇది రొటేట్ అయినప్పుడు పేస్ట్ కరెక్ట్ ఇక్కడ ఈ బాక్స్లో పడుతుంది